Hey folks, I figured for a few of you, you might want to see some more winter decorate with me. Come on over, it's going to be good right here on my take on home and garden. Guys, come on over, check it out. We're gonna do the living room, and it's gonna be special. This week, we'll do 2 decorating videos. We'll do the living room, and then I'm gonna do arrangements for winter, and we'll do the kitchen at the same video. Let's see what I wanna use in the living room for today. I'll take you around and show you how we look with Christmas taken down. It's so bare, I just need a blanket. Okay guys, so let's go around the room 360 to see how we're looking with Christmas all down. Got new pillows pulled out for the season. Emptiness seems to prevail here today. And I gotta admit, it was really tough taking the fireplace down this year. Just loved it. There's always next year. Okay, we've got our bronze pieces brought back down to the living room. And let's look at what I'm going to use to decorate. So Angela loved the French Limoges pot and the chinoiserie pot at the fireplace hearth, so I'm gonna bring out the big vases, picture, we got some snowy birds. We're gonna key off blue and white, but try to keep it more stark white to reflect the time of year. These Venetian style tins will help me. The white vase, a Lennox platter, and we have a fabulous large English pitcher with the golden pheasant. More pictures in the Baroque style. I found this little metal pineapple with white, slightly shabby, some chinoiserie, ginger jars, and tea jars, and a wonderful corrugated pitcher in the Greek style. Then an oversized ginger jar just to fill in some of these big spaces. We'll see the pillows I want to use today. They've been seen before, yes, but they're so good we want to use them this year. Birds and hydrangea and wonderful off-whites. Even an Egyptian pattern with Nile poppies. Alrighty, let me put this together and then I'm gonna take you and show you what I come up with for winter. Okay guys, let's see how we did for decorating for winter this year. In the living room, we'll get turned around here. We'll see some blue and white touches, ginger jars, bronze vases, empty floor vases, Venetian tins in a grouping with some hydrangea and cotton essence candles. We've got just a touch of florals to push off that time of year. Hard to get, no abundance of flowers at this time. We always like our Regency pieces together. We've added a Grecian urn with our Empire style lamp. We have our crackle sconce going. And some hydrangea accent pillows for the sofa. Coming around to more chinoiserie mixed with the bronze lamp and Regency piece. Giant ginger jar, Lenox collector plate, bronze, and more. And we can see our cobalt blue in the cabinet waiting for a turn. And our light blue pillows on this sofa, light and bright. An easy bunch of flowers in this bronze vase with the chinoiserie covered jar. We'll have an off-white pillow with this chair and a vase with the Mother Mary and a cross with this Baroque lamp together. Just love that look. Now you know we're going to have our Christmas corner all year long, and we have our Christmassy plates that fit into this time of year. Blue and white, wonderful church and snowy scene, kids playing in a satin gold trimmed plate, and a fabulous angel on a scalloped porcelain plate here. As we go up, I love to highlight this section. These plates go up, come down, get changed out, added to. Just love this look. And what reminds me of where I was raised and grew up with all my friends, wonderful oil painting. We'll come around here carefully and see the coffee table. I did have to bring in some of the bigger guns to pull this room off. It is always bigger than I think. Wonderful blue and white candle holders, porcelain, apple, and incredible, what I call like a drum vase. This beautiful blue and white chinoiserie vase with the Phalaenopsis orchid. And this will line us up for the fireplace in the living room. Mr. Pheasant is still keeping warm. And our chinoiserie floor pots and the Limoges. German column, bronze, Pooty candle, if you ever miss it. Here is the collection of Limoges early century clock and porcelain body. And here's your overall look for a crispy, chilly, snappy winter this year. Even the birds are slightly frozen, hanging around the fire to get warmed up. So guys, we hope you're enjoying your cozy time indoors, your sports and fun time outdoors. Until we see you Thursday, take care, be good, give us a like, a share, a comment, and have a blast decorating for winter. It switches up quick. We'll have to do some Valentine touches after this week. Take care now. See you soon. Now, don't you love second thoughts and last minute details? I decided to put the little pair of birds here on the table, and I'm going to show you why. Made me think of the swan sleighs on the fireplace, because after all, it is still winter. And I thought they would be just that wintry touch here.